Welcome. Come on in. We're going to be touring a Deluxe Oceanview veranda room on the Disney Wish, the brand new ship. We're super excited to be here. So if you walk in, there is a nice flat screen TV, which the other ships do not have. This is a Cinderella themed room, so you can see our mural is Cinderella themed. We turned on all the lights so that way you guys can see what it looks like. I want a pillowcase because if you look, they even etched little Mickeys into the pillowcases. So cute, and this blanket is like amazing. There's the sitting area, the little table. And then ladies, here we have a lighted mirror for us to do our makeup, which is awesome. And always, always, always open this drawer because this is where your room service ordering things are gonna be, and a little free pen. And then this is just numbers for the ship, emergency contacts, that type of thing. Everything is like really sleek in this room, if you couldn't tell, like just the design is different. There's plugs here on this side to kind of like hidden away. And obviously there's a nice big, oh look, there's the fridge. It's not as big as on other ships, but it'll do. And this room fits 4 people. So there is a bunk bed up here, and this will turn into a couch as well. So this will be a 4-person room. Now if we go outside, now I always like to mention in all my videos with verandas on cruise ships, there is a safety locking system. We don't have to be worried about our kids getting onto the balcony by themselves because there is a lock all the way up here, and you have to lock it and unlock it yourself, and it'll tell you right here what's unlocked, what's locked. Right now it's unlocked. And you have to do that, so it's not just a pull open after you unlock it. That's our veranda. Notice the white chairs. I also like to mention on Disney Cruise Line, there's always tons of space underneath the beds for you to put stuff. That's really important for larger families or people who like to pack a lot like me. So, closet space. So you have nice wooden hangers. This is gonna be your ladder for the bunk bed.
You don't have to worry about that.
No, you don't. Laundry bag, nice safe, just for size. That's pretty good size. Then here,
I love these.
I know. And on the other ships, you don't always get these unless you're staying in a concierge room, so I'm surprised that we have them. I don't know if it's going to be a thing that they do on this ship, but it's nice to have them. Okay, we have a split bathroom, so this is going to be the toilet and the brushing teeth area. Yeah, also what's really cool is that there's 2 different types of lighting in the bathrooms. There's night lighting and then there's main lighting. So that's the night light for at night, so you can see, and then main light, which I think is really cool because having that bright light on in the middle of the night, it'll wake everybody up in the room. And here is the shower, which if you look at it, the design is just so sleek. It's a very, very nice cruise room bathroom, if I do say so myself. I think it's pretty much like a full-size tub, right? Wouldn't you say? I mean, it's small, but it's pretty big. Yeah. And that's going to conclude our tour of room 6060, deck 6, midship on the Disney Wish. We're going to have lots of vlogs this weekend and different types of things, so definitely check out our channel. Give us a like to let us know you were here. And as always, thank you for watching our videos. Have a good day. Bye.